Ladies and gentlemen, the new Porsche Taycan 4S. Please welcome the chairman of the executive board of Porsche AG, Oliver Blume.
Porsche is fully electrified. We are pioneering sustainable mobility for the sports car. Now in a third version with the Taycan 4S. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, also from my side. We presented our two flagship models, the Taycan Turbo and the Turbo S, at the world premiere in September. At the same time, on 3 different continents, in Europe, in North America, and in Asia. With the Taycan 4S, we are now extending the model line. It is an attractive entry-level vehicle, meeting high demands in both terms, performance and aesthetic design. The Taycan is a sports car that embodies all our values from more than 70 years experience of building sports cars. A unique design, the highest Porsche quality, driver-focused, connected and digital. Driving dynamics suitable for the racetrack and the range that allows long journeys. Including charging time, the Taycan is able to drive over 2,100 miles in 24 hours. Besides of the Turbo S with 761 horsepower, for the 4S we are offering 2 battery sizes. The performance battery has an output of up to 522 horsepower. The Performance Battery Plus delivers 40 horsepower more. In both versions, the Taycan 4S accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. Top speed 155 miles per hour. In WLTP, the range is 463 kilometers with the Performance Battery Plus. The EPA values for the American market aren't available yet. We will have them before the official sales launch next spring. In order to ensure a comprehensive charging infrastructure, we are supported by strong partners here in the US. On the road, Taycan drivers can charge their vehicles at Electrify America charging points. It's free of charge for the first 30 minutes, an offer that is available for 3 years. In ideal conditions, they can charge from 5 to 80% in about 22 minutes. And at home, Taycan owners can charge their car conveniently over the night in their garage. We wanted to launch electromobility at Porsche with the sportiest, most innovative and most emotional car. We have redefined the concept of electromobility with the Taycan, and the Taycan has redefined Porsche. It broadens our product strategy. It makes us more flexible to meet customers' preferences and the development in different regions of the world. Our gas-powered cars will still have a firm place in our product range, efficient and emotional like the 911. The same applies to our plug-in hybrid models. They offer high performance and 0 local emissions, like the Cayenne Turbo S e-Hybrid. In 2025, we expect every second Porsche to be electrified, either as a hybrid or all-electric car, like the Taycan. The test lab for our models has always been the racetrack. Many innovations made it from there to series production. That's why we also follow a clear strategy in motorsport. We keep on taking part in GT series where we enjoy great success. This year was the most successful year in history for the 911. We won all the titles of the World Endurance Championship and all titles in the IMSA Sports Car Championship in North America. And we are also about to take the next step in racing. On Friday, the 99X Electric will compete in our first ever Formula E season, making the beginning of a new era on the racetrack. We can't wait, get going. At Porsche, we combine our tradition with the future. We do not stand still, we keep changing. Because only by changing, Porsche will always remain Porsche. So let's start from zero again. Thank you very much.